Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is up to date and you're signed in. This avoids hidden bugs. Once done, open Snapchat and tap Chat. You should see pinned conversations at the top. Find the AI chat labeled as pinned or shown first. Long press that chat to reveal the action menu. Don't swipe randomly. Long press is required. If the menu appears, you're ready for the next step. If not, restart the app and repeat this exact sequence. You long pressed and the options menu should be visible. Scan it for Unpin, remove from top, or an equivalent label. Tap that option deliberately. Snapchat sometimes uses different wording depending on version. Once selected, the chat will drop back into chronological order. If a confirmation dialog appears, choose Confirm or Yes. Make sure to wait briefly after confirming so the UI updates. If the chat stays pinned, force close the app and you now verify the unpin by pulling down to refresh chats. The AI conversation should appear in time order. If it's still stuck pinned, update Snapchat again and clear app cache or reboot your device. These steps fix most state issues. If the pin persists after those steps, check for a feature toggle in settings that may lock AI chats. If nothing else works, report the problem through Snapchat support with a concise description and screenshots so they can resolve it on their backend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.